Hello. Today, I'll provide a brief overview of the website Thetawise. This platform offers AI-powered assistance for solving math problems, catering to students from high school to college levels. Thetawise AI provides two main plans. Free plan includes up to 15 messages and 5 public answers per day, along with features like image uploads, a draw pad, and voice-to-text input. Pro plan offers unlimited questions, priority response times, and access to an advanced solver. The Pro plan is priced at $20 per month or $15 per month when billed annually. The platform provides step-by-step solutions, explanations of mathematical concepts, generation of practice problems, and instant feedback, making it a valuable tool for learning and mastering mathematics. In November 2024, Thetawise.ai attracted over 403,000 users, marking a 27% increase from the previous month. The average session duration was 4 minutes and 49 seconds, indicating strong user engagement. If you're aiming to enhance your math skills, Thetawise.ai could be a great resource. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more reviews.